In this video, we're going to talk about the service plan options in Centralus when you're using a cell kit for an ICC2 controller or an LTEM communication module for an ACC2 controller. Once you've logged into Centralus, hit the hamburger icon in the upper left. Hit Add Controller. Name the controller. Next, add the controller's serial number. Here you will choose what controller connection type will be used. In this example, the ACC2 controller and the cellular Hunter-provided SIM will be selected. A pop-up window will appear for a redirect to zip it for your cellular plan purchase. Select Purchase Plan to ensure there is no disconnect with service. From the Hunter portal, the options range from annual, biannual, monthly, and quarterly plans. Choose a plan that is best suited to your seasonal needs throughout the year. Once you have a plan selected, hit Add to Cart. Continue with the billing information, confirm and complete, and go back to the setup process to finish for your controller. But this is the portal where you would see all those different service plan options. It essentially works out to be about $9.99 a month.
To learn more, visit hunterirrigation.com.